Hey guys, it's Kristina from Mckaig Chevrolet Buick here in Gladewater, Texas. Today I kind of want to discuss a fabulous feature that's equipped with most of our Chevrolet vehicles. Today I'm in the 2021 Chevy Traverse. So today the feature we're going to discuss is called the Team Driver Mode. It's a fabulous feature that Chevrolet has created to help our team drivers stay safe. So let's jump right in, guys. So from the menu screen in your vehicle, you'll go to settings. So once you get into settings, you'll have some options: system, apps, vehicle. So you'll see the team driver option. From here, it'll prompt you to create a 3-digit PIN. Now I have already created the 3-digit PIN for the purposes of this video, so you go ahead and enter in that PIN. Once that PIN is entered in, it's going to give you a couple different options. Once you set that PIN, it's going to be set with the key fob that was used to start the vehicle. So most vehicles, especially new vehicles, will come with 2 key fobs. So you can have your key fob for when you're driving the vehicle, and then the team driver key fob. That's the key fob that you will program. Once you program it with that PIN, it's going to do a couple different things for your team. So first and foremost, when you go to manage settings, it's going to give you different options. Probably the best feature of the team driver mode is going to be the team driver speed limiter. So what that does is that allows the team driver, the vehicle will not accelerate past 85 miles per hour, as well as their team driver speed warnings. So if for some reason the driver begins to increase speed and go over the speed limit, it's going to alert the driver as well. Once that happens, you'll have an option to view the report card. Within the report card, it's going to tell you anytime that driver did accelerate past the speed limit, as well as the distance driven, the maximum speed that has been reached. If there was any type of forward collision alerts that went off while the team was driving, or tailgating alerts. So again, guys, this is a fabulous feature that Chevrolet has incorporated into their vehicles to help keep our team drivers safe, and that's how you'd set it up. Guys, thanks for watching. Again, it's Kristina Manning with Mckaig Chevrolet Buick here in Gladewater. If you're in the market for a nicer, newer vehicle, definitely come by and check us out. Thanks.